We've done this a couple times, but we've never done this one. We've looked at the Cadillac XT4, the GMC Sierra, the old body style versus the new body style, but we've never compared the GMC Acadia and the GMC Terrain, and that's what we're gonna knock out today. This is what we like to call a good old-fashioned face-off. Let's start with the front end. Let's start with the grills. That's always the first thing that we start with. So let's start with the grills on the GMC Acadia. Tell me down in the comments below which one you like best. I'm just gonna show you. I'm not gonna give you my opinion. So tell me down below. Let's take a look. All right guys, this is your 2019 GMC Acadia front end. It's got that heritage, that big GMC chrome grille with the big GMC label on the front. You got the really aggressive headlights as well as fog lights. So you got a little bit bigger fascia on the grille as far as the GMC Terrain's concerned. Still have that big GMC logo, still have the nice headlights, and you also still have fog lights. They both have this chrome accent at the bottom. There's your Terrain, and there's your Acadia. Just full disclosure here, guys, these are both Denali packages. All right, let's take a look at the side fascia, you guys. I'm just walking in towards it. There's your side fascia. You got the headlight that kind of wraps around the front of the vehicle on the GMC Terrain. And then you also have these aggressive alloy wheels on the GMC Terrain as well. And just kind of looking down the side of the vehicle, you got another chrome strip that goes from the front to the back. And here is your GMC Acadia, kind of the same thing. You got the headlight that kind of wraps around the top. You've got those aggressive alloy wheels, and then you also have the chrome Denali strip that goes from the front to the back. Next up is trunk space. This is the GMC Acadia, and debatably this is the biggest difference between this car and that car. It's the third row seat. There's a third row seat behind me on this one. Here's what your cargo room looks like with the third row seat up, and here's what your cargo space looks like with the third row seat down. Plenty of room there, just might have to forget a kid or two. There is no third row seat in the GMC Terrain, but here's your cargo space. Second row down, second row up. Just take note, guys, both of these vehicles, they do have power lift gates. And that brings us to the back of the vehicle. All right, here's the rear end of the GMC Terrain. On the back of this vehicle, you're gonna see a dual exit, dual exhaust. You're also gonna see the all-wheel drive sticker if it has one, chrome accents on the top and the bottom, and then your heritage GMC logo. And here's your GMC Acadia, chrome on the top, chrome on the bottom, dual exhaust, all-wheel drive sticker if it has one, and the traditional GMC logo. Now let's take a look at the back seat. I really needed that AC. I should just take this off, but I'm trying to hurry before it rains. So yeah, here's the back seat of the GMC Terrain. Just something to kind of keep in mind here, guys. I am 5'8". So if that kind of helps you a little bit with leg room, yeah, I'm 5'8". All right, this is my leg room in the back of the Terrain. I got plenty of knee room. I've got a little bit of space. This seat was set comfortably for me to move the vehicle. So that's kind of about where I would sit at. And yeah, I think I can make this work. And then down below here on the back, you're also gonna see a USB chargers, 2 of them. So no rear air conditioning in this one either, just vents. My family actually owns a GMC Terrain, so if you're interested about car seats, about room in the back, I've got plenty of videos on this channel about that. I'll link those up here or up here. One of the two, one of those two. On to the next one. We're in the GMC Acadia right now. Big difference as far as the back seat goes. Let me show you. On the more entry models, you will see a bench seat, but in the higher trim levels, like Denali, which is what this is, you're gonna get buckets. So there's gonna be a little space down here, right? Keep the kids away from each other. Here's my leg test, guys. Have a little bit more room in the GMC Acadia than the GMC Terrain, but that's to be expected. Just moving over here a little bit further, we do have rear heat, rear air conditioning, and then second row heated seats. Again, Denali model. We have a 110 power outlet as well as those 2 USB chargers just like we had in the GMC Terrain. There's cup holders in there, just, yeah, all-weather mats. I feel like we're rushing right now. Should we slow this down a little bit, or should we just keep pushing on and keep pushing on? We are not stopping. We are gonna keep pushing on because I don't wanna get wet, so let's just get through this really quick. This is the GMC Terrain interior from the front seat. This is what your steering wheel and your instrument cluster looks like on the GMC Terrain. It's got the 6-inch color touchscreen radio with the home button and the Bluetooth and the navigation and the text messaging and the Apple CarPlay. It's got all that. Looking down a little bit further, it's got climate controlled air conditioning as well as a push button transmission. There's no shift knob, none, it's gone. Looking down here a little bit further, there's gonna be an all-wheel drive shifter, heated seats, and then just some safety features down there as well. We are not talking about specific features today, you guys. We're just talking about clearly aesthetics between the GMC Acadia and the GMC Terrain. That was a Terrain, this is the Acadia. Let's look at the interior of this one. Here's what your steering wheel looks like from the GMC Acadia. And there's your instrument cluster. Looking over, that looks familiar. Color touchscreen radio, dual climate controlled air conditioning, same as the Terrain. Heated seats, cooled seats, that's different. And then your all-wheel drive shifter down below, as well as some safety features. So this is the interior of the GMC Acadia. I know what you're thinking right now. Are you thinking that this video was delivered like in record time? It had all the information, it delivered exactly what you were looking for? Is that what you're thinking? If the answer to that question is yes, then consider hitting the subscribe button. If the answer to that question is no, then go up here and watch a different video of mine, because I promise those are a lot more thorough than what this one was. My time management skills today have just been like completely off, and for the record, it is not raining. It is not raining at all. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, guys. I will see you next time. Bye.